Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enter the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings directly from Windows using just the command prompt. No more guessing the right key during boot up. First, let's open Command Prompt as Administrator. Just search for CMD, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Now, in the Command Prompt window, type this command exactly as shown. This tells Windows to restart, that is the R letter, and boot directly into Firmware Settings FW, which is your BIOS or UEFI. Hit Enter, and you'll see a message saying, Windows will shut down in less than a minute. Save any open work, then let the system restart. Once it boots back up, you'll be taken straight to your BIOS settings. Quick note, if the command doesn't work, it might be because your system uses legacy BIOS instead of UEFI. In that case, you'll need to press a key like F2, delete, or escape right after turning on your PC. And that's it. Super simple way to get into BIOS using just command prompt. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips.